Puilano Lamsogo jotono Tripura exam helping channelo. So tinoni video hinke tongai BA General for semester philosophy final exam ni bagai suggestion rijangnai. Bayap song noroni jodi philosophy subject tongkai please video no kaham ke naidi. Keba video no skip ta khaidi. Tei tam saka kaham ke buju naidi video no skip ta khaidi. Tei unit to koita porikeng no bahai ke porna nang bobo faino jota video ni bisingti sajangnai. Hinke hemdi video ni main topic ko thanglasinai. So hinke naidi bayap song unit 1. Unit 1 tongai tinta question. Hinke o jaga ni bising norok puila pore de ek number no. Ek number ni question hinke tongnai. What is extra expression in psychology? Explain this method briefly. Mention some merits and demerits of this method. Hinke bin pore de 2 number no. Hinke 2 number ni question hinke tonai. What is perception in psychology? Discuss the Gestalt theory of perception. Hinke bayap song norok mo duita no kaham kai pore de belai no important question. Hinke extra question hinke tongnai. Discuss the nature of psychology. Is psychology a natural science? Hinke bayap song norok 3 number nugui mankana. Abo hinke extra question. Jodi no norok 3 number no pore mankha hinke pore ui thangdi. Hinke hindi tabo unit 2 thanglaisinai. Hinke bayap song unit 2 naidi tabo. Unit 2 abo 3 ta no question tonai. Hinke bayap song norok o jaga puila pore de ek number no. Bin pore de 2 number no. Hinke norok jodi 3 number pore mankha 3 number no pore ui thangdi. Hinke ek number ni question hinke tonai. What is dream? Explain Firwood's theory of dream. Is this theory of acceptable? Hinke 2 number ni question hinke tonai. Name two different levels of mind. Is mind and consciousness co-existential? Discuss the proof for the existence of unconscious level of mind. Hinke bayap song norok mo duita no kaham khai pore de puila pore de ek number no. O ek number no kaham khai pore mamani pore 2 number no pore ui thangdi. Hinke unit 2 te kaisa extra question tonai. Abo hinke tongnai 3 number ni. Discuss Thorndike's trial and error theory of learning. Is this theory satisfactory? Hinke bayap song norok mono bo pore mankhe pore ui thangdi. Hinke hamni tabuk unit 3 o thanglaisinai. Hinke naidi bayap song unit 3 o hinke tongnai saite question. Bayap song norok o jaga o puila pore de 2 number no. 2 number ni question tonai. Discuss the main feature of Christianity. Explain why is considered as a universal religion. Mane as eta. Ase hinjak tin thaka. Explain why is considered as a universal religion. Norok mo 2 number no kaham khai pore di. Bin pore di ek number no. Ek number ni question tonai. What are the characteristics of universal religion? Discuss the main features of Buddhism as a universal religion. Hinke norok mo duita no kaham khai pore de bin pore 4 number no kaisa pore de. 4 number ni question tonai. Discuss Buddhist theory as a theory of origin religion. Is this theory acceptable? Hinke bayap song norok mo 3 ta no kaham khai pore de puila pore de 2 number no bin pore 1 number no pore de. Tei 4 number no pore de. Jodi norok 3 number pore mankha 3 number bo pore thangdi. Tobo norok 2 1 mane 2 by 1 no kaham khai pore de puila pore de 2 number no bin pore 1 number no pore ui thangdi. Tei 3 number no tei 4 number no pore nani chesta khaidi. Hinke 3 number no jodi norok pore namu sangka pore de pore namu sangka pore aphan tongoi man. Hinke mdi unit 4 thanglaisinai. Hinke naidi bayap song unit 4 o bayap song norok o jaga puila pore de 1 number no. 1 number ni question tonai. What is custom and law? Distinguish between custom and law. Abo no kaham khai pore de bayap song norok unit 4 ni hinke bin pore de norok o jaga o 2 number no. 2 number ni question hinke tonai. What is social group? Distinguish between primary and secondary group. Describe the importance of family as a primary group. Norok mo kani no kaham khai pore thangdi o unit 4 ni hinke. Hinke no 3 number bo pore mankha hinkai pore ui thangdi. 3 number ni question tongnai. What is individualism? Explain critically individualism as a theory of relation between individual and society. Bayap song jodi norok abo no pore mankhe abo no pore ui thangdi. Tobo norok 1 by 2 no khai jesa khai no pore ui thangdi. So hinke bayap song abo no 4 semester ni philosophy suggestion. Tabuk bo norok suggestion mayang ni tongkha hinke. Please bayap song non dolong no share khair badi jate joto dolong no manani ungtun. Hinke bayap song video amsang nangsinai norok je kok borok 4 sem ni second sem ni suggestion ni mane rinai te koik din nasing de suggestion sanamui tongo te kisa wait khai tongde. Ete kaisa kok bayap song kebo channel ko talangai tongai channel no subscribe khair de te bell icon click khair de. So hinke bayap song dati part 1 ke subscribe complete khair de norok ni bagai dati na video fight tongo. Hinke tiri ni bagai amsang na ungsunai.